Today we're making chocolate covered banana popcorn. Today we're making chocolate banana popcorn. We're using two products by Gold Medal. One is a glaze pop, chocolate glaze pop, and one is a banana signature blend by Gold Medal. We're gonna make one batch of banana popcorn, one batch of chocolate popcorn, and we're gonna toss them together. In our banana flavor, we're also going to use a little bit of compound S to help it stick to the kernels. The glaze pop already has that in there, so we don't have to worry about it. We're also going to be using mushroom kernels. Those are the big round kernels that pop. We use the Gold Medal brand. And we're also going to be using corn oil. So let's get popping. We'll start off with banana first. We're going to turn on our motor. We're going to turn on our heat. We're going to get this kettle up to about 300 degrees or so before we put our oil in. This is a little thermometer. It's an infrared thermometer. Just pick this up at Harbor Freight. There'll be a link down in the description for this, but sometimes it's just helpful to know the temperatures of your kettle and what it's up to before you start adding some ingredients. We're up to temperature now, so we're gonna put in 2 ounces of corn oil. And we're gonna put in 6 ounces of kernels. And we're gonna close that up. We're gonna let this heat up, and as soon as those kernels start to pop, that's when we're gonna add in our sugar and our banana flavoring. We're popping this popcorn here in a 6-ounce Kernel King. This popcorn popper was used when we bought it. It came from a school. We got this, I think, for around maybe $50 to $75 or so, and it's been working great. We've had this for a bunch of years. They used it for a bunch of years, and it's still popping strong. There's lots of different types of theater-style popcorn poppers that you can get. All different brands. Gold Medal makes one, and Creeders makes them. So, take a look if you're interested in purchasing one of these. There's plenty of brands out there. If you're interested in the Popcorn Genius recipe book, there's going to be a link down in the description where you can get all of our recipes absolutely free. You can also check out all of the links in the description to all the products we're using here today in case you want to make this same flavor. You can check those out as well. Starting to hear it pop just a little bit. That's great. Now we're gonna add in our sugar. This is our sugar, our banana signature blend, and our compound S. So we just add that right to the kettle. Now you'll notice the kernels were starting to pop, and once we added the sugar to the kettle, that popping stopped. And the reason why is just because when you add something that's not as hot as the kettle, it cools the kettle down, and now it has to heat back up in order to get those kernels popping again. Starting to hear it pop again. Starting to smell that banana flavor actually too. We've never made banana flavored popcorn before. I'm not sure why, we just never did. We had a lot of people ask us for banana flavors. So we're popping that here today, and it smells really good. Yeah, we're really starting to pop now. That compound S, what that does, it really helps this sugar stick to this popcorn kernels really well. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how nice and bright color that is. That is awesome. We're gonna listen for this, and when it starts to slow down, we're gonna dump it. Oh wow, look at that. That looks terrific. All right, pop and slow down. We're gonna dump it. We're gonna turn off our heat. We're gonna turn off our motor. Wow, look at that. That looks so good. Let's get out our scooper. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look how good that looks. Nice and bright. That looks really, really good. This signature blend is actually a flavoring and a coloring agent all in one. Let's give it a try. Actually, let's take a good up close look at this. Oh yeah, look at that. All right, let's taste it. Oh yeah, oh you can really taste that banana flavor. Oh, this is actually really good. I like this quite a bit. Now that we popped our banana, we're gonna now pop our chocolate popcorn. So let's get our motor going. Let's get our kettle heat going. It's probably not gonna take too long to heat this up because we already popped a couple batches in here already. Check the temperature. Oh yeah, we're already up to about 300 degrees. So we're gonna put in 2 ounces of corn oil. And we're gonna put in 6 ounces of kernels. This is a 6-ounce popcorn machine here, 6-ounce kernel king. We'll get that popping, and then once that starts to pop, we're gonna add in 3 ounces of chocolate glaze pop. So you always wanna use half the amount of glaze pop as you do kernels. So because we're using 6 ounces of kernels, we're gonna use 3 ounces of chocolate glaze pop. All right, we're starting to pop. I can hear it just a little bit. Yep, I see some kernels in there popping. Now we're gonna add in 3 ounces of chocolate glaze pop. I love the way the chocolate glaze pop smells. It smells like really rich chocolatey brownies. It's so good. You're gonna notice that the popping stopped. That's just because we added in that cold glaze pop, right? Room temperature glaze pop, colder than what the kettle temperature is. It just needs to get that kettle back up to temperature, the kernels and the mixture and everything, so it can get popping again. Okay, we're starting to pop again. Oh, you can really smell that chocolate. That smells so good. It's like fresh baked brownies. It's the best. All right, we're really starting to pop now. Oh yeah, it's gonna start lifting the lid. Oh yeah, you can really smell it now. It smells so good. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how good that looks. Oh yeah, it smells so good too. We're gonna listen for this. When it just starts to stop popping, then we're gonna dump it out. All right, it slowed down. We're gonna dump it. We're gonna turn off our heat. We're gonna turn off our kettle. All right, look at that. Oh yeah, look at that nice chocolate covered popcorn. Oh yeah, look how good that looks. Look at that. Look how nice and chocolatey that is. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Just gonna let it cool just a little bit. Oh, it smells. I wish you could smell this. It smells so good. It smells so good. 1 batch of chocolate here, and now we're gonna add in 1 batch of banana. And we're just gonna mix this all together. Look how cool that looks. Look at that. Ha! That looks awesome. That looks so awesome. Oops. Let's take a quick look at it even closer. Grab a couple pieces in here. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah, that looks so good. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That banana combined with that chocolate, that is so good. The banana, that's just the right ratio too. Equal parts chocolate and equal parts banana. The flavors go really well together. Neither one of them is overpowering the other. They're actually just working really well together. That is so good. That is really good. I'm not a big fan of banana in general, but this banana flavored gold medal is really good. And that mixed with this chocolate, terrific. Remember, you can make banana chocolate popcorn too. All the products we used here today, there are links down in the description. So get out there and get popping.